JAIN Heritage School is a member of the prestigious JAIN Group of institutions led by the founder chairman, Dr. Chenraj Roychand. The school reflects the ethos of our revered chairman in creating well-rounded individuals with deep-rooted value systems which forms the core of the school. Happy faces, happy children, happy teachers, happy parents forms the building blocks of the school. Our curriculum is all-inclusive, which has a good blend of academics, sports, co-curricular activities, and the activities which include financial literacy, Model United Nation clubs, baking classes, and much more. It is indeed a fun-filled day for all our children at JAIN Heritage School. The curriculum again highlights sports, wherein sports education is imparted to all our children at JAIN Heritage School. With a team of professional coaches, all the children in our school are trained on the sports grounds, which forms an important life skills. Likewise, building up a strong partnership with our parents becomes very important, and the school envisages on this strong bonding with all our parent partners. Seeing children come out of JAIN Heritage School as strong individuals with grounded value systems, patriotic Indians with strong-rooted systems, and also ready to take on the future and become global citizens is the core of our school. We welcome everyone to this happy learning space at JAIN Heritage School, and we wish to walk along the path of progressive learning along this beautiful journey of schooling of your child. Thank you.